In the tranquil depths of the ocean, a world thrives beneath the waves, where every creature plays its part in a delicate balance of life, reminding us of the harmony that exists in nature's embrace. As sunlight dances on the ocean floor, dolphins move playfully in harmony, showcasing the beauty of connection, while a manta ray glides by, embodying grace and tranquility in this underwater paradise. Within this underwater realm, anemones create safe havens for clownfish, showcasing a symbiotic relationship, while the bustling coral kingdom serves as a sanctuary for countless marine creatures, illustrating the intricate web of life beneath the waves.